Hello everyone. So I'm here with the Alignerco update. So I'm getting ready to do tray 12, which is right here. So let me tell you a little bit about the 11th tray. It was very painful for 3 days. And then after a while, it started loosening up. The way it loosened up, it made me feel like it wasn't really working. So I don't know whether that was from it straightening my teeth or whether it was just getting loose over time. So like I told you last time, I have a 13th tray and it's only for the bottom. That's after this one. In 10 more days, I will be wearing that. So I have to find out whether I would still be wearing the top from 12 with the 13th or whether I will be wearing the top retainer with the 13th. I really don't see no sense in just that one tray. I don't know, but they probably know more than me. But let me get this tray out and I'll try on the number 12. Well, actually, I'm going to tell you whether I see any changes and then I'll go to the 12th tray. I don't see any changes. These last trays, I'm really not seeing too many changes. This one here, that was developing the gap. It looked like the gap is closing a little bit. That's a good thing because I didn't have that before. But these jokers here, no. This gap needs to close. This one on this side, it looks like it's closed. Let me look at my mirror. That one closed a little bit on this side. So now I'm going to the 12th tray. Put the bottom in first. Ooh, that hurts. I'm going to put in the top. Ooh, my teeth are sore. Let me look at this. It looks same. This keep popping up. I don't want to break the tray. Okay. So it's very painful right now. Oof. Very painful. So what do I expect? Honesty is the best policy, y'all. I'm not holding out much hope for 12 and 13. The 12 and 13th tray. Because I expected to see a little bit more in the middle of my treatment. So I will be getting in touch with them when I put in the 13th tray to see what can be done. But honestly, I don't feel good spending so much money and I'm not really seeing any changes. You know, sometimes people say that they see changes. My sister says she saw changes, but I don't see that many changes. And my bottom teeth weren't that bad. Like I have missing teeth over here. I always tell you that. But they're not real crooked. They're not really crooked at the bottom. Up here on the top is what I really wanted to have addressed. And it looks like my situation is not, I'm not satisfied. I'm not. So it is a good system for people that have other problems. Okay. But you would want to try something else. If you have an overbite, if you I don't even know what to say right now, honestly. I don't know what to say. Because I went into this and I was looking for one thing, and I got an extra gap in my gaps in my teeth. I thought those were made to straighten my teeth. You know. So I'm gonna see after this tray, but come on, one tray ain't gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. If I am wrong, I will come back and tell you I'm wrong. Oh, I'll just appeal. Oh, my teeth are straight and they're beautiful. This is a wonderful process. And I tell you to get it. I tell you to get it if you don't have a whole lot of problems, okay? It will be worth it. But right now, to me, it's not worth it. Would I do it again? I don't know. Because honestly, I think they owe me some trays, okay? 13 trays. I got all these dental problems. And, you know, why should I have to throw my money away? You know, something has to be done about this. It really needs to be something done about this. If I come back and these teeth are more straight to my satisfaction, I will have all the praises for Alignerco. But this journey is not to sit up here and tell a bunch of lies. Oh, that's great, that's great. Oh, it's wonderful. Okay, it was times that I did like it. I like the timing of the process. You just wear them for 2 weeks and you switch to another tray. And for 4 months, it goes pretty fast. But I think I should have maybe 20. I should have maybe 20 trays or so. Because I see other people, they have, you know, a lot more trays. And it's not fair. This wasn't sponsored. I paid with it with my own money. Then I reached out to a company to so I could sponsor it myself, you know. But this was a review that I spent my money myself, even before I thought I could make any money off it, which I haven't. I haven't made any money off it, y'all. You know. But like I always say, it may be the right thing for you. It's not right now. It's not the right thing for me. And I want to like it, but with these last few trays, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. Okay. So this is my review of the Alignerco, and this is the 12th tray. I got one bottom tray left. Why would they pick the bottom tray? Wouldn't you think they would have me have an extra top tray for me, to try to straighten this out? I don't get it. I don't get it, y'all. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay. If you're thinking about getting a Alignerco, look at some of the other videos, and they're truthful. Like I said, this process is not going to be totally perfect because it's a lower price, but it will work for some people. I went on enough. Let me get off here. I love you all. I will be coming with some more videos soon. Okay? Bye.